Hello everyone. Sometimes you just wonder if your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version or not. So if you want to know if your WhatsApp is updated or just want to update it to its latest version, then you can follow these simple steps and update WhatsApp. Go to Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. As you tap on WhatsApp Messenger, it will show update instead of open if there is new version of WhatsApp available. Since there is no update option in the screen, it means that our WhatsApp is updated to its latest version. If there is an update available, you can simply tap on update and download the newest version or new updates. So that's how you can update your WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.